Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. As you rifle through some of your kids' Halloween candy, I want you to look at the ingredients on that candy. Chances are there's corn in it. And so that brought me to look at the corn chart today. And as you can see here, corn has been up about 30% almost since the beginning of the year. And that's not even the high. And so my thought is one of the reasons that food is so expensive these days is because the things that go into food are more expensive these days, like corn. And if you were to ask me about this chart right here, I got to tell you, I'm leaning bias to the upside. I kind of think corn has room to grow to the upside. Trying to get as many puns in here as possible. And so as you can see, corn is above all the major moving averages here on the daily chart. It's above all the major moving averages here on the weekly chart, and we can draw a very nice downward sloping trend line from the previous highs, and it reaches right about where we are right now. And so a few of us over at StockMarketMentor.com took a starter position in corn today, and we're looking for a strong move through this level coming on higher than average volume. Now, I'll be honest, this is not my typical trade, but it's hard to find typical trades in this market. And so this one does trade a little thin. It does trade a little slower than most things. But like I said, the chart's set up. It's above all the major moving averages and close to a clear level of resistance. And so grab a chocolate bar from your kids' candy stash and add corn to your watch list. And once you try it, everything will change.
What do you like about corn?
Ever since I was told that corn was real, it tasted good.
Did you think corn wasn't real?
But when I tried it with butter, everything changed. I love corn. Corn.
That's all I got for you tonight. I hope that video was helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. Go there. Click the trial button, and I'll see you on the other side.
I hope you will have a Corntastic day.